It is late April in the forest here
in the Midwest, and everything you see around me here are ramps. If you don't know, those are edible members of the onion family. We got a rather tender leaf here. These happen to be shiny, and you have a red base. Under there you'll find a tiny little bulb, a white bulb. You can see that. There you are. There is your mini onion, ramp, wild onion, and supposedly there are a couple things that look somewhat like it, but if you are confused, you can always rub the leaf a little bit. Give it a smell. It smells like onion. If you have any poisonous lookalikes, they will not. Also, in general, wild plants, if you give them a small taste test and they taste all right to eat, they usually are. If they are not, if they're spicy or really bitter, just spit it back out and you'll be okay. So yeah, this is on a trail that no one really seems to bother with as far as plants. It's a trail that people go horse riding on, and I'm pretty darn sure no one even knows this is here. And we got like a 1/4 acre of ramps all around me. Nice to see. Very edible, very tasty. Goodbye.